Hey there guys, let me ask you something, and it might be a little tricky to answer. Have you ever been caught by the traffic police for a mistake that wasn't really your fault at all? Has it happened? It has happened to me a couple of times. Well, I found the solution to that. Exactly. And that is installing a dashcam. You heard that right, guys. Dashcams are small cameras mounted on a car's dashboard or windshield, and they record everything that happens on the road. They provide valuable footage that can be used for insurance claims, investigations, and even as evidence in court. Let me show you some of the best dashcams out there in the market. DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera. The DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera is a great option for those looking for a high-quality dashcam specifically designed for hot Indian weather. This dashcam features full HD 1080p recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring you can capture clear and detailed footage of the road ahead. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its 140-degree wide-angle lens, which provides a wide field of view and allows you to capture more of the road. The DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera also comes with WDR technology, which compensates for the intense light and dark areas caused by Indian sunshine, which ensures that you can capture clear and detailed footage even in bright daylight. Some of the major specifications are a 2-megapixel CMOS image sensor, 128GB storage capacity, and super night vision with WDR technology. The DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera is priced at 3,549 rupees. PROCUS Iris Car Dash Camera. The cool thing about this one is that the 2-inch LCD screen allows you to view and play video footage in real time. One of the standout features of this camera is its full HD 1080p recording capability. This dashcam also comes with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. Additionally, the camera comes with a motion detector as well, automatically recording when it detects motion or impact, even when your car is parked and the engine is off. The PROCUS Iris Car Dash Camera is priced at 2,799 rupees. 70mi Smart Dashcam 1S. The 70mi Smart Dashcam 1S is a high-quality dashcam that offers a range of features to enhance your car's safety and security. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its 1080p Full HD recording capability, which ensures that you can capture clear and detailed footage of the road ahead. The Starvis IMX307 sensor allows for exceptional image quality even in low light conditions, providing a clear view of the road ahead at night. Additionally, the dashcam has an emergency and loop recording feature which automatically saves footage in the event of an accident and overrides the oldest footage when the memory is full. Some of the specifications that really stand out in this camera: a built-in GPS, very handy, HD rear camera as well, and dimensions of 39.2 by 29.5 by 7.4 cm. Major pros of this camera is that it gives you 24 hours of parking surveillance and supports SD card up to 128GB. You can get hold of the 70mi Smart Dashcam 1S for 4,499 rupees. The QUBO Car Dash Camera Pro with GPS. The QUBO Car Dash Camera Pro is a high-quality dash camera that offers a range of features to enhance your car's safety and security. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its full HD 1080p recording quality. The dashcam also comes with built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to connect the camera to your smartphone and share footage or control the camera settings through the mobile app. Additionally, the dashcam supports up to 256GB SD card. Some of the very impressive specifications are the night vision, loop recording, and temperature-resistant features. The QUBO Car Dash Camera Pro with GPS is priced at 4,399. Which dashcam model do you think fits your preference? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.